Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to be doing our product assembly of our CASA-STOKIT. It's our storage cabinet with 3 shelves. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Proceeding to step 1, we'll be needing 2 parts number 1, 4 parts number 2, our K, the foot standoffs, and our A bolts, 8 of those, as well as the larger Allen key, L. Let's go ahead and put them together. We'll be doing the same thing for the other side. Step 2, we'll be needing our parts number 4 as well as our 2 parts F, little magnet connectors. Let's go ahead now and install. Alright, for parts F, it's important to note that the magnet side must be facing away from the channel. So we want the magnet facing the opposite side of the channel when installing. Let's go ahead now and install. Moving on to step 3, we'll be needing our parts 4 from previous, as well as 2 parts number 7, and then we'll get 2 new parts, our D wooden joints, and our C self-tapping screws. We'll also be needing the smaller Allen key for this step. We'll go ahead now and install. Moving on to step 4, we'll be taking our part number 6, the backboard, and slotting it into the channel. Let's go ahead and install it. Step 5, we'll be needing parts number 5, our D as well as our C parts. We'll go ahead now and show you where to install it. For step 6, we'll have new parts number 3, so 3 of those boards, our previous assembly from earlier, and our first step, one side railing. We'll also be needing 10 B self-tapping screws and our larger Allen key. Let's begin. In this step, just pay close attention to the direction of the magnets here when we're installing. Moving on to step 7, we'll be doing the other side railing now. We'll also be needing again 10 of the self-tapping screws. Let's go ahead and install. Moving on to step 8, we'll be needing 2 parts 8, our doors, as well as 2 parts G. We're going to go ahead now and install those onto the door. Moving on to step 9, we'll be needing our new parts E, the 2 door knobs, as well as our part I and part J. We'll go ahead now and install them onto the door. We're going to go ahead now and do the same for the other door. Moving on to step 10, we'll just go ahead now and add the doors onto the main assembly. For step 11, parts H, it's an optional step. These parts are anti-tipping parts. So you'll find you'll have a few fisher plugs, some screws and harnesses to mount onto the wall. You'll simply harness it around one of the outer railings here and drill holes in the wall and mount it to the wall. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our CASA-STOKIT, our storage cabinet with 3 shelves. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and reviews. Thank you.